Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to record a variable in Stata. So in order to do this, we need to have some initial investigation of the variable we'll be working on. So in this case, I'm going to work on a variable called school connection. So let's see this variable sch school connect tab school connect. So this gives us the information that there are five categories in this variable, and that they're in ordered categories. So 1 to 5 means that as the number goes up, it means the higher values. However, there's a problem in this variable. The problem is, as you can see from the code book, the question originally asked the survey respondents that do you agree or disagree that you feel close to people at your school. So that means there's levels of school connection. So strongly agree means they feel close connection to school. Okay, so and then as the number goes up, the connection becomes lower. So that means higher number indicates lower levels of school connectedness. So this is a problem, especially in terms of data interpretation, especially when you run a regression analysis. What we need to do is to do the reverse coding, so that the higher number would indicate higher levels of school connection or closeness. So that's exactly what we do in this coding example. So we'll reverse code this variable now. So in order to do this, we'll type recode and the name of the variable, which is school connect, and then 1 equal 5, because now the 1 would be 5, so the higher value means the higher levels of connections, and bracket, and 2 equals 4, 2 equals 4, and 3 equals 3 equals 3, and 4 equals 2, and then 5 equals 1. So we just reverse coding it, and then we create the new, replacing the values in the existing variable, but we're creating new one. Gen we'll rename it school sch connect recoded. So, and then hit enter. So, and then so now what it does is that we have created a new variable called school connect recoded, and this recorded variable would indicate that the higher values, indicating higher levels of school connectedness, so that you have much easier interpretation when you run a regression analysis and interpret your result for this variable. I hope this was helpful. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel.